Hello guys, so welcome guys. In today's video I'm making a full tutorial guide on how you can farm and mine your CEXP power tap airdrop. So first of all, for starters, if you don't know what is CEXP is a trading exchange, just as we have Binance, we have Bitget, we have Bybit, we have OKX. They are also an exchange. We have Gate.io, we have Mezek. So CEXP itself, they are an exchange. So if you check on CoinMarketCap, from 1 to 100, CEXP is among the exchange. Now, so what CEXP is doing is that they want to now list their official token. You understand? Just as Binance have BNB, then Bitget have BGB, then Trust Wallets have TWT. So you know all this exchange, decentralized and centralized exchange, they have their own actual token, which actually at the end of the day used to be in a very good price, because this token itself is a representation of the exchange themselves. So CEXP itself, they are actually listing their own token in this month, in this year 2024, and you just have few days to start farming it. So as at when I'm making this video, there's just about 1 month left, because we're actually in the Q4 of CEXP. Now if you are seeing this my channel for the first time, please make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. Ensure you subscribe now immediately so you get connected to top information and payable airdrop. So now if you are coming now, if you want to start farming CEXP, the link is going to be in the description box. So make sure you check the description box so you can start farming. Now this is how it's going to look like for you once you log in, if you are a beginner now. So once you just tap on the link, you just go to this menu here. So once you go to menu here, you are going to see start earning CEXP token. Then you tap on start. So once you tap on start, you tap on start the app. So once you tap on start the app, it's going to load. Ensure guys you subscribe, guys. Ensure you subscribe now and leave a comment in the description box. Let me know where you are watching from. Now as for me, you can see I'm already mining the CEXP token. Now all these things I'm going to explain. I'm already actually earning. I'm going to explain. Now for CEXP, we have different interface for this airdrop. Now we have the work, we have the tapping bot. Now if you come here, if you use this is actually a manual way to tap, but if you want to follow this tapping option and this manual way of tapping, it might stress you, because actually there are a lot of airdrop I want you guys to engage in. So it's not just this one. So there is the tapping option and there is the boost option for you to tap, while you can just multiply. See, as you can see, I had actually one. Let me just go back so you can see it. As I was tapping, you can see it's one. But if I want to boost it, because I already, now if you are just starting, you might not even have enough for you to even say you are boosting. So I won't boost. So you can just do your tapping stuff and the rest, just to earn more for starters. Now the next thing for you to do is to go to this mine. I'll be showing you how you can quickly accelerate yourself and get quick on this CEXP token. Now you can see there is the CEXP token itself. This is how much of the token I have currently and presently. Now there is this my mining per hour, there is crypto balance. I will explain all that. Let me just start gradually. Now if you come here, as I tap on this mine, you are going to see all these mining engines. So these mining engines, they are like cards. If you tap on these cards, it's like you are purchasing them. This mining card is going to help you increase your mining per hour. And this your mining per hour is going to reflect on crypto balance. And with this your crypto balance, you'll be able to purchase more of the CEXP token and add yourself to the ranking board. Let me explain myself now. For instance, now if I want to purchase this garage, now there are different type of cards here, but I'm going to be giving you guys basically the cards that you actually need to buy, so you don't actually waste your CEXP token, because this card will enable you to increase your mining per hour. Now I'm going to be at the end of this video. Please make sure you watch to the end, because the playlist of this CEXP token, I've made full tutorial guide videos on how you can effectively mine. So at the end of this video, it's going to just pop up at the end screen. So just tap on the playlist and take your time and watch everything so you can mine effectively. I made a video on how to use the best cards for you to buy to improve or to increase your mining per hour. So if I want to buy this card now, for instance, now this GPU upgrade is one of the best cards to buy. It costs this much because I've been upgrading it for long, you understand. So let me say I want to buy it again. So if I tap on it, see, this is it now. If I'm buying this card, it's going to increase my profit per hour. So if I tap on it, I want to purchase the card, so my profit per hour is going to increase. So that's how you are going to do, depending on how many CEXP token you have. You're just going to keep on buying this card. And as you are buying this card, if you check before, if you look on this screen before I did this, my mining per hour was actually 1.5. It was actually 1.4, but when I bought this card, it became 1.5. So let me just go buy another card. So if I just go to power and I want to buy another card, I'm doing this for you guys so you guys can learn. So let's say I want to buy this card, and what's the name of this card? I want to buy this power transmission line. These are actually good cards to buy. If you want to buy a card, ensure that the card, check the profit per hour. This is 0.02, so it's actually good. But if you are seeing a card that is 0.0000, actually not relevant. Go for the bigger cards, depending on what you have, because the goal is to increase the goal is for you to increase your mining per hour, because this mining per hour will reflect on your crypto balance. So now that's basically it for this. So now if you now go to tax, now this tax, now there are different tax for you to engage in here. So now if you engage in all these tax will enable you to do what? It will enable you to be able to earn this CEXP token for free. You understand? If you just do this tax, you will just be earning this CEXP token. Now the next thing for you to do is to go to squad. Now what squad simply means is for you to invite friends. Ensure you invite people, because this is not like you are just referring people. You are inviting people for something that is good and payable, because this is going to be like a utility token for the CEXP exchange, and they are listing in this 2024. So you need to invite people quickly and timely. So the next thing, so once you are inviting people, this is what is going to happen. Now as those people are actually engaging in CEXP itself, there is a bonus that as they are mining, there is a bonus that the CEXP token is going to be giving you. So after a while, always come to check, maybe hourly or after 4 hours, you check and you claim this. So this is what I earn. You understand? Then the next thing for you to go now is for convert. Now this is where I'm going to be explaining for you guys carefully. Now if you come to this convert, now if you check on BTC, the system for CEXP token is that if your crypto balance, one of that your crypto balance is equivalent to the current price of Bitcoin. So whatever price Bitcoin is as at the time you want to make this conversion, that is what your crypto balance represents. So in other words, crypto balance represents Bitcoin, if I'll put it that way. It's not actually Bitcoin, but what the system made it to be as if it's Bitcoin. So now if I want to buy, now let's say now I want to convert. So you don't just keep this crypto balance, because what you need is the CEXP token. So they made this crypto balance to be at that price so that you can have more CEXP token. So let's say now I want to convert let me convert. Now you see Bitcoin is actually down, so let me just convert 7 of my CEXP token. So if I'm converting 7, so this is what is going to be giving me. You see it? So if I tap on convert, so that's it. If I go to convert, I've actually converted it. I tap on confirm, I've converted it. You understand? So now let's go back to this. So if I go back, you see my CEXP token balance have actually increased. So now that is basically it. Remember I said you mine, you buy cards, you do the tax, you invite your friends, and you go to convert. So you'll be making use of the tapping bot if you want to do that, and you can boost the tapping bot as well. So now that aside, now let's go to let me show you guys what you are in for. Now if you tap on this, because now you are going to be linking this power tap to the CEXP app itself. Now if you are using Android, just go to your Google Play Store and search for CEXP. If you search for CEXP on Google Play Store, or for iOS you search for CEXP, you search for their trading app, this is what is going to pop up for you. You are going to see this logo here. Look on my top left. On my top left, you see CEXP, it looks green. So you just go and download it. Now if you download that app, just go and open an account there open an account and verify. So if you open an account and if you have verified, or you can just go through here, you just go through here, you tap on this three dash icon on my top right. So if you tap on it, it's going to show you sign in and register. So if you have already created the account already separately on the CEXP app separately, you're just going to sign in, just log in with your password, or you can just follow through this method here. Just tap on register. So once you tap on register here, it's going to show you some few details for you to fill. Please guys, make sure you subscribe now, you like and you comment. It's going to show you some few details to fill. Now you see it's going to load up. Now for me, I've already registered an account, so I'll not be needing this, but for the sake of this tutorial video, I'll be explaining for you guys. Now for you to create an account, it just takes 1 minute. For you to verify your identity, it just takes 5 minutes. Now you are not buying or to deposit crypto, you are not doing any of the two. What you are just doing is to want to create an account and verify your identity. So what you are going to do now is to tap create account. Now for tap on create account, this is what is going to show us here. Now just hold on for it to load. It's a kind of a glitch in network, but it's going to load now because actually it's a simple thing to do. Now for you to register here, you need a working email. What I mean by a working email, you need an email address that you actually have access to. Now for this, you are going to choose your country residence. So if you tap on country residence, you choose the country that you reside in. Now for me now, I will just choose Nigeria, because currently now I'm in Nigeria. So depending on your own residence, you just search for it there and you choose it. Now as I choose Nigeria, I'm going to now choose an email. So let me just tap on an email address. So that's the same thing you guys are going to be doing. So you just tap on a verified email address. So if you come here, if you see it like this, just use your cancel bar to just bridge in the space. Then you see there is a minimum character. So now if you want to choose a minimum character for this, let's say we want to create a password. I already have an account. So now if you are creating your password, these are what you need to do here. Now you see your password should contain the following: 10 or more characters, 1 lowercase and 1 uppercase. What they simply mean by that is that 1 capital letter in alphabet and 1 small letter in alphabet, and a digit, a numerical number. So for example, let's say I just want to make use of a name like this. Let me just put something like this. So I'm just opening all details so that for you guys to know what you are doing. I already have my own, so I won't so let's say I'm going with this name. Okay, so this is it. I'm opening it so you guys can know how you do your own. So let's say a capital letter and this and this. So you see, as I'm using that name, it's going to be ticking. So let's go with this, then we go with this. So that's just it basically, guys. So they say it has to be 10 or more, so it's not up to. So we're going to add, let me just add a random, I'm just adding random numbers just to create a password. But if you are creating password, create something that you'll be able to remember, something you'll be able to recall. Now you see we went with this name, so, and it's more than 10 actually. So the next thing for you to do is to tap on this, tap on accept certificate. You have to be 18 years and above. So if you're actually seeing this, I believe you're 18 years and above. So after you do this, the next thing you're going to do is to tap on create account. So what I'm trying to tell you guys here is that it's not just about mining CEXP. You have to link your account. Like I said again, you have to link your account with this link the trading app with this the Telegram app, because it is on the trading app you are going to see what you have mined so far. Remember again, so they say this email already exists, so I'm not going to be making use of this. I just want to show you guys the next interface. So I need an email. I need to just make use of an email. I'm coming, guys. So just make sure you stay connected, guys. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you can see the full tutorial video, or you just go directly to my playlist. Just go directly to my playlist so you can watch the full tutorial video and other steps, because with this one now I think I want to believe I didn't take enough time to explain, but in that video, well, I know I did. In that video, I explained each of these mining functions separately. You understand? So if you go to that one, you just watch each separately. I talked about how to use mining power, how to buy cards, and what conversion means, and how to use squad. So now remember this interface we are in now. I'm trying to explain to you that you have to connect this account, your trading account, this your mining account on Telegram, with the official trading app. So the next time I told you guys, so now I will just have to stop here, because if I leave this interface, we won't be able to proceed anymore. So they are going to send you an email. They are going to send you a code. So you just go to your email address, copy the code and paste it here. Now this step is actually beginners friendly for you to just do. It's self-explanatory for you to do there. So once you are done with that, they are going to ask you for KYC verification on the app. So the KYC verification, they are going to be asking you for international passport, driver license, any government verified ID card. That's what you are just going to use, and you'll be verified in just 5 minutes and you are done. So that's it basically for SEC.io. Guys, if you have any question in the comment section, please make sure what you ask me. I'll be glad to explain to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.